Now look friends, it looks like we've got mail. As we can see, it's got a beautiful bag with a 7 on it. And I wonder what's in the bag. So here we go, guys. It's time for the big reveal. Trying to do this one-handed. What do we have here? Beautiful bubble wrap. And looks like it's a mirror. Let's find out more. Okay guys, so now we're having a good look inside. And this is from Ted Theodore and a company called Simply 7. Nicely packaged, beautiful caterer, and look what came with it. A beautifully computer printed key fob. Now included with the package, of course, is the mirror, and comes with double-sided 3M tape so it can be adhered to the windscreen of your 7. Beautiful polishing cloth for the mirror. A crayon with it to be used with the instructions. Beautiful kit bag. Seems to be nice, all natural fabric. And complete instructions